maps and navigates your home to clean in a methodical route to increase efficiency and avoid missing areas. Upgraded CyclonePower cleaning system with whirlwind technology dustbin makes dirt disposal and maintenance much easier, also prolongs high-efficiency filters usage time. Use the portable Electrowall device package included with A9, to create an invisible barrier to clean where you want. Wi-Fi connected app provides easy operation from your phone, including scheduling, selecting cleaning modes, real-time mapping and accessory status. Not support 5G HZWI-Fi network. 3 slim body with 14 smart sensors helps the A9 to clean along your furniture and walls, go underneath your sofa and beds, climb over low-piled carpets and thresholds, avoid stairs and obstacles. Automatically returns to charging base when low on power or finished cleaning. Must start A9 from the charging base for it to return home.